Elbow goes down, wrist up, wrist goes down, knuckles, and then the next knuckle, and then out. Don't skip any of those steps. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11.
If you want, you can also just change your angles. Instead of being here, we can just be right here too.
Shoulders back, up, down, chest out, chest in, belly out, belly in, pelvis out, knees bent, roll the knees in, roll the knees out, roll back, whip out. Let's do it again.
Speed changes are warped. We break it down 2 steps. So here's number 1. And now, as it goes down, that's when I start lifting up the back heel. Now back to step 1 and step 2. 1, 2. So this part right here is important. Get this feel right here. Watch. Hips go back, weight goes on the heel. Okay? Forward. Back. And notice how it's kind of like waving. 2 things happen at the same time, exact same time. When one thing stops moving, so does the other. So meaning, this leg's gonna go up. Watch this leg go up as the heel goes down.
Prescriptions we administer the medicine for people still afflicted with acute 2-0 sickness. We exist between the gold and the green. I paint the soul of the scene under towers of power, dodging the open through